Welcome to the Center for Teaching and Learning Trainings on Demand, Faculty Introduction to eCourseWare. This video will provide faculty with a brief overview of the layout, navigation, and learning tools within eCourseWare. This video is tailored to faculty who have little or no experience using eCourseWare. Before we get started, you might ask, what is eCourseWare? eCourseWare is a learning management system used by the University of Memphis. The Desire to Learn LMS is the foundation of the eCourseWare platform. All University of Memphis banner courses receive a D2L course shell for faculty to use. Brightspace by D2L is the vendor and developer of the LMS. All U of M courses are stored within eCourseWare. To access eCourseWare, navigate to the My Memphis portal, then click the eCourseWare link provided on the Faculty tab. You can also navigate to elearn.memphis.edu, log in using your U of M UUID and password. If you forgot your username, click Forgot Your Username. If you need to reset your password, click Reset Your Password. If you need assistance logging in, click Need Help. Once you have logged into eCourseWare, you will see the My Home page. Here you will notice the navigation bar at the top of the screen with a link to My Home. You can click this link anywhere within eCourseWare and it will take you back to the main page. Next is the Select a Course area that will display all courses that you have been enrolled in within eCourseWare. Click the pin icon to pin a course to the top of the list. In the upper right corner, the envelope icon is used to access your eCourseWare email. Clicking this icon allows you to see message alerts and a link to your email account. Next is the alert icon. This icon gives you updates and alerts within your courses. Next is the conversation bubble icon that gives you access to subscription alerts that you have enabled. Click your name to activate a menu with a link to view your profile, notifications, access your account settings, and log out of eCourseWare. While also on the My Home page, you will notice several widgets. The first widget is the eCourseWare System Status widget. All scheduled maintenance for eCourseWare will be posted in this widget. Second is the My Courses widget that displays all courses you have been enrolled in. You can filter this widget by clicking Select Semester and choosing a semester to filter. Third is the News widget, which provides important information regarding eCourseWare throughout the semester. Fourth is the U of M eCourseWare Support widget, which provides a link to place a help desk ticket as well as a phone number to the U of M service desk. You will also find eCourseWare user guides and a link to run a browser check in this widget. Finally, the eCourseWare Training Resources widget provides training resources to faculty and students, as well as additional training videos. When you enter a course, you'll be taken to the course homepage. From the course homepage, you will see the News widget on the left, the Calendar widget, and the U of M eCourseWare Support widgets on the right. The News widget can be used to provide important information to your students related to the course. The Calendar widget consists of a mini calendar and a list of upcoming events and assignments. It also displays all events created by the instructor. Clicking on an event in the widget takes you to the event in the calendar tool. The U of M eCourseWare Support widget contains links and contact information for the U of M service desk, as well as a link to access the help desk ticketing system. The widget also contains links to user guides and a link to run a browser check to verify that your browser meets the system's minimum requirement. To access the Content tool, click the Content link in the course navigation bar. Use the Content tool to organize your course content so the information about course expectations, course syllabus, lecture notes, and important dates displayed to users clearly. When users access a course's Content tool for the first time, the first page they land on is the Overview. Use the Overview page to orient users to the course content materials and course expectations. Note, if you decide not to add anything to the Overview link and page is hidden from student view. Next, click the Course Schedule link. The Course Schedule link lists course material due dates, start dates, end dates, and other course events for the next 7 days. If you set availability dates or a due date for a course object, it appears in the Upcoming Events page. Now click Table of Contents. The Table of Contents panel lists all modules available in your course. Click on the listed module to view and manage its details, topics, and submodules. You can also stay on the Table of Contents page to view and manage all modules and topics. To access the Dropbox tool, click the Assessments menu and select Dropbox. The Dropbox tool allows you to see user submission times, download Dropbox folders to your computer, view submissions with a Dropbox viewer, associate Dropbox folders to rubrics, and return submissions with grades and feedback. The Dropbox tool also is integrated with Turnitin to provide originality checking on submissions. eCourseware also provides a gradebook within your course. To access grades, click on the Assessments menu. Click Grades. As an instructor, you can determine how to set up your gradebook to best reflect your approach to evaluation, including the grading system and grade scheme that is most appropriate for your course. You can create grade items for projects, assignments, discussions, quizzes, etc. to include in your gradebook and even associate them with other tools. For example, Dropbox folders, quizzes, and discussions. To create quizzes in your course, click on the Assessments menu and select Quizzes. The Quizzes tool enables you to create and manage points-measured assessments. You can use quizzes to help evaluate users' learning progress and learning outcomes. Create and manage quiz questions from the question library or the Quizzes tool, and organize quizzes into categories to make it easier to find assessments with similar or related content. You can evaluate assignments in your course by using rubrics. To access rubrics, click on the Assessments menu and select Rubrics. Rubrics are used to evaluate an activity or an item based on a predefined set of criteria. They help ensure that activities and items are evaluated fairly and consistently. You can associate a rubric to a discussion topic, a quiz, and a Dropbox folder. eCourseware also provides a User Progress tool. To access User Progress, click on the Assessments menu and select User Progress. The User Progress tool tracks your learners' overall progress as a class and individually through 9 progress indicators: grades, objectives, content, discussions, Dropbox folders, quizzes, checklists, surveys, and login history. eCourseware provides a blog tool for faculty and students. To access the blog tool, click on the Communication menu and select Blog. The blog tool is a way to share information on topics that interest you. Use this page to post and respond to questions, engage in discussions, and share opinions and comments with other users. Blog entries can be made public or private. eCourseware provides a chat tool. To access a chat tool, click on the Communication menu and select Chat. You can set up course-specific chat rooms or chat rooms that involve individuals from all over the organization. Instructors can create general chat rooms to incorporate chat discussions into the teaching of a course, since they are automatically open to all users enrolled in the course. To see which users are enrolled in your course, you can use the Class List tool. To access the class list, click on the Communication menu and select Class List. Use the Class List tool to view enrolled users, check users' online statuses, send emails, and read their blogs if they have one. eCourseware also provides a Discussions tool. To access discussions, click on the Communication menu and select Discussions. Use a Discussions tool in your course to encourage users to share thoughts on course material with their peers. You could set up forums and topics for users to ask questions, discuss course content and assignments, and work together in assigned groups and sections. You can access the internal email tool by clicking the Communication menu and selecting Email. The email tool allows you to send email from within eCourseware. You can also organize received mail using folders and store email addresses using the internal address book. eCourseware also provides a user the option to forward email from the learning environment to any external email account. eCourseware allows for instructors to create groups within their courses. To access the Groups tool, click on the Communication menu and select Groups. You can create group work areas for users using the Groups tool. You can use groups to organize users' work on projects and assignments, or you can create special work areas for users with different learning needs. Users can belong to multiple groups within the same course. eCourseware also contains a Pager tool. To access the Pager tool, click on the Communication menu and select Pager. The Pager is an online messaging tool for sending text messages to users within the learning environment. A page is quicker and less formal than an email. To close out the Pager tool, click the red X in the top left. eCourseware provides an integration for Wigio. To access the Wigio tool, click on the Communication menu and select Wigio. The Wigio tool provides group communication and collaboration. Using Wikio, you can hold group discussions, assign tasks to group members, poll members, share calendars and schedules, upload and manage group files, and collaborate using live conference calls, video conferences, chat rooms, texts, emails, and voicemail. You can also access all the learning tools used in eCourseware by clicking the Edit Course link in the navigation bar. From the Edit Course area, you can access course layout options, cite resources like the Import, Export, Copy Components tool, and manage files. The Learner Management area contains links to the class list and user progress tool. The Assessment area contains links to all the various assessment tools within eCourseware. The Communication area contains links to chat and the News tool. Thank you for watching the Center for Teaching and Learning Trainings on Demand, Faculty Introduction to eCourseware. For additional eCourseware training videos, visit our website, umtech.memphis.edu/CTO.